Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. To create soft waves, prep the hair. I apply some leave-in conditioner to wet hair and then let it air dry. We'll start at the bottom and work our way up. Clip the rest of your hair up. I'll be using a 1-inch curling iron, but you can go bigger for looser curls. Clamp the hair section and run it through once. Then grab the end of the section and wrap it around your curling iron by twisting as you go. Leave an inch or two out. Wait a few seconds until the section feels hot. Then release, scrunch, and pull to create a soft, loose wave. For each layer, I alternate the direction of the curl while always making sure to curl the front section away from my face. When you are done, release the next horizontal layer and get to work. The bigger the sections you curl at a time, the looser the wave. The smaller the section, the tighter the wave. I don't recommend sections that are larger than an inch for this barrel size. When you get to the front section, style long layers by placing the barrel behind the section. Then curl away from your face. This will frame your face nicely. with bangs, pull them back, then release for a flowy effect. When you are done, you can flip your hair over, shake it out, or run your fingers through it to loosen up the curls even more. This hairstyle is great on its own and also provides great texture if you're attempting almost any hairdo. Have a great hair day!